friends sa Lia at ito si
Christian.
and we're gonna play Barry's Prison, guys.
So guys, we are absolutely not a famous YouTuber. We're just new in YouTube. So
Please subscribe me. I only have 4 subscribers.
in one of my search, I did not absolutely recorded anything. But I still got 400 views, which is I got them for nothing.
My cousin is it's like you should go away and let's andito lang naman ako eh.
Okay guys, let's not wait for it.
Uy,
Beautiful. But I forgot the freaking coins!
determined.
Let's go.
Guys, it's lag. Guys, may update. Meron na silang mga coins.
Guys, I really want to
Hintayin natin siya.
Guys, there is absolutely no update.
Hintayin mo ako, hinintay kita.
I don't want to hintay. It's just a waste of time.
Bala ko dyan kita hintayin ah. Guys, I got second sorry for the boys.
Shut up.
It's what the fuck?
Mom, no. No, I don't want to. Hello, darling.
I got the coin.
Guys, I'm not gonna no, forever.
Guys, nagja-jump sa kasi police.
Guys, I speak Tagalog too. My sister is not even a good YouTuber because he only have followers. But that's not it. The important is I don't want to rage in the speed.
You're gonna rage quit in the electric fan, you know that.
But I'm trying not to rage quit. Oh shit, oh shit. I mean, oh shit, oh shit.
Don't gas. You're gonna get banned. Mag-speak Tagalog ka.
I don't want. Sige na nga. Guys, this is my first time speaking Tagalog in
Ano ka? Nag-i-speak ka talaga na naglaro tayo.
Hindi ko kasi yung Pinos.
Okay. Na-play. I'm just gonna get my
Bro is update, but
please subscribe to my video, guys. Just subscribe to me, you're gonna get pogi and maganda.
but if you subscribe to me instead,
Subscribe na kita! Tagal na.
but if you subscribe to me guys, you'll get a cook.
Let's not.
10,000 cookies.
Guys, it's a budol. It's not gonna deliver you.
I will give you a free cookie.
It's just an emoji.
Dahil kami. Emoji ko.
Yeah. But that's very kind.
Oh, hintayin na.
Hello.
Hintayin na.
Is that you? Oh. Ikaw pala yung kala ko ikaw yun.
Let's go. Dali. Hit that thing. Oh, there's more coins.
Diba?
Lugahin.
Come on. Yeah, you're...
Lagging is destroying my life.
Ay!
What's this? Come on. Oh my god, there's coins!
What the fuck? Are you patay?
Yes, because there are so many coins.
I'm just gonna... Oh no, why there's this coin?
How are you making?
Ay,
Hintayin kita.
I'm
This is
get...
my first time speaking Tagalog in YouTube.
ako.
Oh my God! What of you?
Hintay na, 94 na coins ko.
Mine is 89. Absolutely so picking down.
Guys, he's raging quit na guys.
I'm not going to lose.
Rage ka lang kasi di ka pa nag-quit. You're so matagal. I'm here. Hello.
That is so freaking dumb.
Guys, it's gonna waste my time. I'm just gonna pause this for Guys, he's finally here. It's 7 years.
What do you mean it's freaking dumb?
Oh no, he's here. Why are you here?
Get that chimpanzee.
I'm so pro.
Why did I stop? Bye. Bye, Dream.
Why it's so maingay?
Why? Guys, I think there's a new thing up. There is a floating coin and there is a lava beneath.
We're not hintayin eh. Hintayin. Guys, why is there lava here? I didn't know that.
I don't know why there are lavas here.
Come on. Malapit na tayo sa speedrun.
I am not going to rage with this program.
Dali lang naman yun ah.
No! I really... How is that even a prison?
Are you done yet?
Uy, bawal na ako mag-record.
Bakit?
Ano, full storage na daw yung
Ako hindi
ano ko
pa.
mga videos.
Ako hindi pa. Guys, I'm just gonna record for him.
Yes, I can't record because I'm full with videos.
Guys, andito na kami. We're finally here.
Let's go!
Sabay tayo, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ako na una. Ako na una. Ako na una.
Guys, di ba ako na una?
Ako lang nauna sa may screen ko eh.
Okay, let's don't rage quit this for our subscribers.
Can we take for 10 years? Will not rage quit. What the fuck? Bye! I am a pro in this one.
I'm just gonna bura this so I can have a storage.
You're just going to borrow the Roblox?
No, the video after I upload.
Ilan ba yung videos mo?
4.
Uy, hanggang 24 yun, max 24.
Yeah! I'm finally here, guys!
Already.
Already. I'm just gonna stop so I can get full start. Guys, nandito na siya. Finally.
Please don't say it took 9 years.
It took 9 years.
Bro, it only take... It only took...
Oh no, we're here. Uy, dito talaga muna. Kukuha kang hagdan.
I will get a coin.
So, mabigat.
Hindi kaya, nasa Roblox nga lang tayo eh.
Guys, malapit na kami sa electrical.
Uy, 11 minutes na!
It don't care. Guys, we're not, still not doing a face reveal, but Christian does na.
Yep, I don't even care, I don't have any subscribers and likes. Cause my freaking friend told me to do a face reveal in a bad position. Remember, his name was Dion.
No, it's Kenzo.
No. How can I even? Si Kenzo pa rin. Salamat pa may waste ng time mo. D1.
Wow.
Bye. Guys, he took for an hour to finish this off.
No, I don't.
Yes. It took for 10 million years to finish this.
At least di namatay. Puta pa.
Oh my god, I really hate this part.
Ano yan? Nasa fan ka na? You started rage quit.
I will probably reach for this one, but I have to try my best.
Yeah, for the subscribers. Guys, this is for you. Praise for me. Darna. Darna.
Oh my god, I'm actually...
Darna. Darna. Darna, what the...